See this condition, see the structure here. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 in square, see here, and one is at the top and one is at the downward. Then this structure is octahedral. This structure is octahedron. This structure is octahedron, and in the gap in between these, that will be octahedral void. Octahedron or octahedral void space or interstitial site has gap in between that, in between 6 spheres. This type is FCC structure. This structure is FCC structure, and this shape, see here, this is just like a octahedral void. See, octahedron is covered by 8 surface. Octahedron is covered by 8 surface in this manner. See, 1 2 3 4 at the top and 4 downward. Octahedral void, this shape. Now this shape is tetrahedron. Tetrahedron or tetrahedral void, space between that, that is known as tetrahedral void or tetrahedron. See here, in tetrahedron 4 spheres are there, and these 4 spheres form, by joining their centers, 4 triangle, 3 triangle at the top and 1 this 4 triangle in this manner. This shape is called tetrahedron, and the gap in between these, that is tetrahedral void. Void means hole or interstitial site. Two tetrahedral voids. The radius ratio in tetrahedral void is r void upon r sphere equal to 0.225. CCP structure, CCP cubic close packed structure has 4 atoms per unit cell. Thus the number of tetrahedral void is twice the number of atom. That is 4 2s are 8. 8 tetrahedral void in 1 unit cell, in one CCP structure, FCC structure. In octahedron or octahedral void, the radius ratio is r void upon r sphere, and that is 0.414. This is the radius ratio, r void upon r sphere. Now, in octahedral void, in octahedron, octahedral void is located on it, and in 1 unit cell, in one FCC, in FCC structure, in unit cell has 1 octahedral void at the body center of the cube. This 1 octahedral void, 6 spheres. 6 spheres form 1 octahedral void.